Okay, here we go. Here with another live stream. Jungle Jargon. Another discussion. The crack. As I'm speaking, I'm thinking a different language. The crackpots. The the whizzes. The physics whizzes. They keep saying no, 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 and then I explain to them their own physics that they should already know, and then I get blanks from them twice in the same thread this morning. Check it out. Okay, we go here, and we go here. Okay, so check this out. Here's one of them right here, and it's in the description. So I say, well, he says something here. He says, no, 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 no. Speed is locally variant. You're describing something else. A distant observer. Okay. So then I say, so you agree that relative to our frame of reference, everything speeds up away from galaxies. And he says, that's not what I said. That's not what I said. Let's approach this from another angle. What is the point of relativity? What have we learned from it, especially in regards to frames of reference? So then I explained to him in great detail in a short little paragraph. In general relativity, the measures of time and distance don't change much where we are locally. Things traveling near and towards the event horizon appear stopped to us. They go out of their way to make this point. Things moving out of our galaxy. So if one is true, the other is true. Things moving out of our galaxy and out of other galaxies appear to be moving faster. And then I explained to him, if you change the size of a cubit, you're going to change the size of the house that you build with it. And then I get no response. And they don't respond anymore. And the other one was this other guy in the same thread. There it is. This is very wrong. Light travels at the same speed in the vacuum regardless of the gravity affecting it. When the gravity of a black hole is powerful enough to noticeably affect light, because he's thinking of gravitational lensing or something. Okay, where'd he go? Noticeably affect light, it still doesn't change its speed. Not numerically, but in reality, it does change the speed. In actuality, it does. Instead, it redshifts or blue shifts the light, making it more or less powerful, which is another interesting point. This red shifting and blue shifting of light is because of gravity, not because of the expansion of the universe, which is another story. But it's all has to do with general relativity. It all has to do with the same thing. Because if you want to know where the redshifted light from distant galaxies is coming from, it's from all the mass, the accumulation of all the mass that the light has to travel through or travel by in order to reach us. The farther away it is, the more mass that it has, more gravity from mass that it has to travel through, which redshift is. And the redshift so much by the time it only gets slightly blue shifted because there's so much mass out there compared to the little mass of our little galaxy here. And explains the redshift. Okay, so here's my response. I get no more response from him. Nothing coming back from him. The speed appears to us to change because it does change. It appears like things are going faster, but it's just no, it's not an illusion. It's the reality. If it's appear to be going in the same time that we're experiencing one speed, in that same time, outside of the galaxy is experiencing another speed at the same time. So get that straight. Okay, someone traveling towards the event horizon. I have to show this, explain this again. Somebody traveling towards the event horizon of a black hole will appear to be stopped to us. The opposite has to be true. Moving away from us near a black hole. So the opposite of true. If they're stopped going into the event horizon, over the event horizon, then the opposite direction, they're going to be moving faster. Faster than what we move. Faster than our frame of reference. At the same time. This is all happening at the same time. It appears to be moving faster outside of a galaxy because it is moving faster outside of a galaxy because you change the measures of time and distance. So you can take that to the bank. All this superluminal motion and stuff, 7 times the speed of light, is nonsense because they're not taking into account changing of the measure of distance or the rate of time. It's so simple. It's so simple, and they just don't get it until we explain it to them.